my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to continue with our Valentino Rossi bike. So we are going to do stage 54 of Build the Rossi motorcycle, and a little bit more to do in this one, but not a lot of parts. Yeah, the parts haven't been great on this build in size of the quantity you get. It just seems to be a lot of plastic bits and pieces, but I'm hoping that will improve very, very soon. But yeah, today we're just going to be working again more on that engine. I think we're putting some kickstands in or something. I don't really know. I think I'm lost with this build. It's been engine work, and more engine work. Anyway, we'll get started with this one today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so today we are going to be working on the Gearshift assembly. That's what they've titled it. So what we need to do is we need to bring across this part we got in the last issue. And we also need this part here that we got in the last issue. And we're basically going to be combining these together. Now, it's a sort of a half moon shape, so it can only go on one way, but it has got to go all the way down, I believe. I may be wrong. Right, so there we go. Try and push it all the way down. There we go, that's into place. Okay, we need this that we've got from this issue next. Now, looking how they've orientated this, the instructions are not that clear, but I'm just seeing if I can. It wants this bit to go into here, but it's not saying which way around it's got to go. Ah, right, I'm right with that one actually for the first time. Okay, so that bit I've actually done right. Okay, we need to screw that together with a Type X screw. So, screwdriver. I'm gonna get a little bit of oil. I'm gonna put this together. Just gonna pull it in, which is what I want it to do. Okay, so that is now in place. Now if we flip this over, so it's kind of looking like that, we need this piece here. This is the selector linkage. We've got a pin here. Now with that pin there, it wants us to put it this way around, so that pin's facing out on this side. Okay, and then we need to screw that down with a Type X screw again. So we'll do that again. A bit of oil because we are going into metal. Here we go. Okay, so that is now as it should be. That's looking exactly what it shows in the magazine. Next, what we need to do is we need to bring over our engine. So here it comes, because it wants us to fit this now. So I'm just seeing where it wants us to put this. So it says you can now fit the left. Oh, hang on. Now you can fit the complete left footrest assembly to the frame using the mounting holes indicated. Oh, right. I'm just a bit confused because it actually, I've skipped a part. Wants us to actually put this on. That's me going too far ahead. Come on. Okay, that's now in place. Now we can bring over this, so we can fit this, and this is just going to simply fit onto here, just down there, I believe. Okay, so what we're going to do is we need to secure that in with type K screws. Now this is actually going into plastic, but we do need our Oreo with an Allen key head on it. Okay, that's nicely grabbed that. Just try and bring it a bit close to the camera. I can feel that grabbing it. Okay, that's in place. Right, so now we've done that, it says press the free end of the tube shown in step 7. So we've got this tube here that's coming down, and it wants us to put that onto, really, this. Oh my word. Okay. Okay, right, so that's in place. Next one to do is we need to attach this blue bar. There we go. We need to attach this blue bar to is it to there, I believe. Now that's just a little bit loose. I'm just going to see if I can. Right, okay, and he wants us to attach that with a type G screw. Well, at least there's been a bit more to kind of do again today. I mean, we have had ones where we just put a few bits in, so I'm not complaining at that. Okay, and that is the mechanism kind of working. I'm just going to see if I can tighten that a little bit more. And I'm just going to see if I can tighten. No, I can't tighten that anymore. Anyway, well that's it. That's it done. So that's what we've worked on today. Quite satisfying actually, to be perfectly honest with you. So that is stage 54 complete. Well guys, that's it for the Valentino Rossi build today. I fairly enjoyed that one. Nothing broke, which is great. Yeah, we were a bit lacking on what we get in part-wise, but yeah, okay, I can see it's starting to do something. I mean, we have waited, what are we on, 54 issues? So, yeah, I think we've waited long enough and stuck with this build long enough now to start saying, give us some more better parts. Give us something better to work on. But, yeah, that's a different story for a different day. Anyway, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.